Hello everyone. I just want to show you how to observe your insects and analyze the different kinds of insects that you guys are collecting. So I'm showing you control number 7, and I took out the cup really quickly, but basically, again, same thing. You guys get your cup, you take it out, all right? You take it out, and then you throw it inside your little bento box, right? Your little boxes. I just did that, right? And then you immediately put it down and restart your trap. Now, to analyze, guys, I want you guys to observe carefully, what kind of species you got. Be careful if you got some that move a lot, just keep the lid on it. But for these little isopods that are not moving around and climbing out so easily, you can leave it open, right? And what you guys can do is use a little forceps, okay, to try to manipulate the little insects, because remember, you need to identify the different kinds of insects, right? So for example, if you guys can see here, and I'm gonna put the brightness a little bit higher for you guys to see. Sorry. Right, this black one that you guys see here that I'm gonna kind of poke is one particular species, and all of them are, but on occasions you're gonna find some different different species. For example, this one here, this one is a different kind than what you get, the little roly-polies that you guys see here. This one actually does not roll into a ball, right? So that's a different species. That's a different organism onto itself, right? This one also doesn't roll into a ball. So, take your time to observe the different kinds of animals that you have and count the different kinds, right? So for these ones that they don't pop out, right? They don't jump out. You can actually collect them and put them in your little observation tray. So the lid can actually be a separator for the animals, all right? So for example, I'm going to take out the little ones that don't roll. I don't want to say the names because that's part of your experiment to actually investigate, right? So just let me do that really quick. All right. So how many do we have here? Use your forceps to actually, use your forceps. I'm gonna kind of set up my little system here if you guys can see better that way. So use your forceps to pick up those that actually don't roll into a ball. For example, this guy, number 1, he doesn't roll into a ball, right? It looks like he's just trying to turn over, but he doesn't fully roll into a ball. Oh, I got the wrong one. Where is it? I have lost my specimen, guys. Oh, here it is. So this guy here, there's only one actually. Alright? This guy does not roll into a ball. Right? And there's a way you could distinguish him from the others. And it's on the body. Alright, but I won't give you that hint. You guys need to observe it. There's only one of his kind right now in this control sample. Right? Since there's only one, it's a lot easier for you guys to take a picture of it. And then, since of course there's only one, I can just throw him back. Alright? So you can just collect them, right? And then just toss them out. I know it's one already. So in your little experiment, right? You guys can actually get your trap. Since you guys are 3, it'd be easier to manage. But for example, in my case, I'm in control number 7, right? And I don't want to show you the numbers, but you just input. I don't want to show you the names. Well, you guys can see it, so it doesn't really matter, right? Porcelio scabbard is for the first one, right? Armadillium vulgare, that's the second one. But I want you guys to to identify it. For these guys, just count them all, right? Just count them all and log in. They're basically the same species, just in different developmental stages. Okay, so in order to help you count, you can just, remove and put into the lid. So they won't go anywhere. Okay, and then that's it for your day. For your daily count there. All right. Hope this helps on collecting data better. If you guys have any additional questions, let me know.